is JT Kent. I'm one of the developers here at Cubicle Fugitive. Today we're going to be talking about the content editor within the Sitefinity CMS, specifically using the document manager to insert document links via the content editor. So let's launch the project and begin. So I drag on a content block, and what we're going to do is typically you'll be typing a sentence of some sort. This is a document link. The document manager link is basically a with a paperclip. This launches the new dialog, and I'm going to select an existing file that I've already uploaded, PDF test. We can change the title here. This is what's going to display on screen. And I'll show you how to upload a document via the document manager in another video. If I look over the HTML tab, you'll see that each document has a unique GUID, and again, more details about that later on. So as you would expect, on the page, here's a link and a link to the PDF. That's how you insert a document link.